Brothers, do you know how fierce the competition for excavator sales is now? This 2021 year's XM400DK, we only sold more than 400,000. The customer requested us to provide original factory maintenance for him. He also asked us to send him this 185 quasi-new sledgehammer. After the maintenance is done, deliver it to the construction site for him and send it to the construction site. No way is too involution. As long as the loss is not much, still to do it. Brothers, do you sell excavators now that are also so involution? Discuss in the comment area.